Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're killing it out there, because I know we're killing it in here. I'm Brett, this is Kodo Kiwi. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, this is a place where we dive deep into everything development, design, and we just have a bit of fun along the way. So before we get started, if you're new here or if you're just back for more, welcome to the channel. It's pretty good to have you here. Now, to help us dominate the YouTube algorithm, it would mean an awful lot if you could smash that like button, subscribe if you want to, comment down below after you've watched this video, let me know what you think, let me know your ideas, I want to hear them. Right, now so what we're going to do today is, I'm not sure if you would have seen my Photoshop video on how to remove a background. If you haven't, I'm going to link it right in this area here, so right there. Now, if you don't have Photoshop, you've probably come here realizing that, oh no, I need a way that I can remove a background from an image, and I don't want to have to pay a designer or a developer to do it, which is fair. Like, if you can save money, why not do it? So basically I'm going to show you this really awesome tool. Now, it's something that I found, and to be honest, I use it all the time because it's probably several times faster than Photoshop. It doesn't always produce a 100% result, but it's very easy to use and manipulate to try and get what you want out of it. So what we're going to do here, if you can see my screen, we're basically going to go to a website. It's called remove.bg. So BG is just a TDL on the end of a domain, but in short, you could understand what they're going for. It's basically remove background. Now, this tool is so easy to use that it's only going to take me about 5 seconds to explain. So if you're in the previous video, you would have seen that we have this image here. Now, this is an image of a person or our subject walking through a bush. Now, all we're going to do with this, if I close that, is we're basically just going to drag this guy into here, drop him, and our program is going to do all the magic for us. It's going to scan the image and then it's going to pretty much download it. Now, we can only download a small preview version of this. If you do want the full HD version, this is a paid plugin. But for the purposes of this, we're just going to pretty much be happy with what we got here. Now, if you can see this now, we've actually cut out our subject. Now, he isn't going to appear the best because obviously of the low quality, and he would have been resized. So basically, if you're going to want to do a better image or more clear image, you're probably going to want to start with something a bit smaller. Now, another way you can do this is go to a site called I Love IMG. Now, on this site, what we can do first is we can actually do a bunch of things, but we're just going to go ahead and crop this image. So for somebody who doesn't have Photoshop, this is going to be a super handy tool where we can just pretty much drag our subject out and only grab really what we need of him. There we go. Crop that image down. Download that cropped image. Now if we go back to here, all we're going to have to do again is drag this guy back here. Now because we're not using the full image, we should actually get a bit of a clearer photo of the guy. So if we download that, there you go. So we have our subject, he's a bit better quality. And I mean, unless you're using the paid version, this is not a bad way to do it. So that's it for the video. We got a lot of videos like this coming. So if you are interested in learning a whole lot of new tricks or just some tools that are going to help you level up your production, then definitely what you're going to want to do is hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and definitely hit that thumbs up, because the YouTube algorithm likes it and it keeps me very happy when you do it, and it lets me know that you're liking the content or that you've learned something new from it. Now, if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, if you want me to find a tool that's going to help you in a certain area, just comment down below. I'm going to read all the comments. I mean, I want us to grow as a community. I want to help you, you help me. It's been a pleasure as always. I'll see you in the next video.